Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, FX4 Off-Road, and the convenience package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, side view camera with remote start, perfect for the cold winter months. You do get front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, with a little storage cubby here, 120 volt USB and USB-C, and you can fold this out for cup holders and arm space, with storage under the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, fully powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 48 kilometers. Got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control. Got that digital speedometer, digital RPMs, with my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop out start, traction, park assist with shift 360 camera, trail control with drive modes and 4-wheel drive, cup holders, wireless charging pad, some outlets, little storage right there. You got your center console as well with tons of storage. Got your fans, max temp, max AC, volume, hazards, all that jazz, and your big infotainment system. And above me, we do get our features for our powered rear window opener. You also do get a garage door transmitter, pretty nice. For your big infotainment system here, you do get your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. Climate controls are out the bottom, dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, with your vehicle settings. You got auto hold, off-road mode, and comm screen. You got a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, you can exit out, phone, all your apps will be found here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, pretty easy to use, zoom in or out, go into 3D mode, totally up to you. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE13041, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.